Shao Qiezi, in English braised eggplant, is a traditional Chinese dish with a long history dating back to the ancient Wei dynasty. It is also a famous vegetarian dish. This dish is cooked with tomato and green pepper, which makes it healthier and more colorful. There are many different ways to cook this dish. Today I'll show you a simple and easy recipe. Okay, let's get started. First, cut the eggplant into blocks. Put some salt on the eggplant and to add some flavor. Then, cut the tomato into small pieces. Cut the green peppers into small pieces too. Let's put some starch on the eggplant to mix it evenly. The reason we add some starch is let the eggplant not absorb too much oil. Chop the garlic into small pieces. Cut some green onions into small pieces. Put some oil in a wok. Heat the oil to about 360 Fahrenheit. Then deep fry the eggplant for 2 minutes. Then put the green pepper into the oil and deep fry about 20 seconds. Put the garlic and green onion pieces into the wok. Stir fry a little bit. Then put the tomato pieces in. Stir fry together. Add some water. Boil for about 1 minute. Then let's add some oyster sauce, soy sauce, a little bit of salt and sugar. Boil the tomatoes for 2 minutes. If you want to thicken, you can add some starch water. Put the eggplant and green pepper back into the wok. Stir fry for 1 minute. You are ready to serve.